Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic note making. Note making is an important study skill. It also helps us at work. We need to draw the main points of the material we read as it is difficult to remember large chunks of information. Let us begin with an example. So what is note making? The act of making notes is called note making. जब हम कोई भी चैप्टर रीड करते हैं, जब हम साइंस का एसएसटी का कोई भी चैप्टर रीड करते हैं, उसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स होते हैं, व्हेन वी मेक नोट्स, व्हेन वी जोल्ट डाउन दोज इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, it is called note making. Study the following passage carefully. Now let's read the passage given below. Pheasants are shy, charming birds known for their brilliant plumage. These beautiful birds occupy an important niche in nature's scheme of things. Of the 900 bird species and 155 families, the pheasants belong to the order Galliformes and family Pheasanidae. The galliforms are known as game birds, and this includes pheasants, partridges, quails, grouse, francolins, turkeys, and megapodes. Now, you need to understand and you need to keep in mind which information is important. क्या क्या चीजें important है वो शुरू से ध्यान में रखना होता है. There are 51 species of pheasants in the world and these are shown in the identification chart brought out by the Environment Society of India (ESI). The purpose of this chart is to create awareness among members of the school eco clubs under the National Green Corps (NGC) of the Ministry of Environment and Forests, Government of India. Except for the Congo peafowl, all the other pheasants are from Asia. Scientists believe that all pheasants originated from the Himalayas and then scattered into Tibet, China, Myanmar, South and Southeast Asian countries as well as Caucasus Mountains. The jungle fowl and the peafowl spread to South India and Sri Lanka long before the early settlers established themselves in the Indo-Gangetic plains. About a third of all the pheasants in the world are found in India. The male blue peafowl, the peacock, is the best known member of pheasant family and is India's national bird. It occupies a prominent place in India's art, culture and folklore. So this was the passage. Now let's see how to make notes, how to go about the act of note making. Notes कैसे बनाते हैं? So there is a stepwise process of making notes. Let's see. Step 1. Notice that the important information has been underlined. So first of all, you have to underline the important information given in the passage. Pheasants are shy, charming birds known for their brilliant plumage. Now what is plumage? Plumage means a collection of feathers. The feathers collectively are known as plumage. सारे feathers एक साथ एक bird के उसको कहते हैं plumage. So pheasants are shy, charming birds known for their brilliant plumage. Who are pheasants? The answer comes. The pheasants are shy, charming birds known for their brilliant plumage. The pheasants belong to the order Galliformes and family Pheasanidae. The galliforms are known as game birds. 51 species of pheasants in the world. So there are 51 species of pheasants in the world. According to the identification chart brought out by the Environment Society of India, the purpose of this chart is to create awareness among members of the school eco clubs under the National Green Corps (NGC). Pheasants are from Asia, so basically All the pheasants are from India. They originated from the Himalayas. कहाँ से originate हुए थे? Himalayas से. About a third of all the pheasants in the world are found in India. The peacock is the best known member of pheasant family. जो peacock है वो best known member है pheasant family का. So here we have underlined the important points, the important information from the passage. Okay, let's see what is step 2. Step 2 is read the passage again, asking yourself questions and answering them as you read. So just read the passage again and ask questions. जो आपने points यहाँ पे put किए हैं, जो आपने points underline किए हैं, उसमें passage में से questions पूछने हैं आपको. What is the passage about? Pheasants. Where are they found? Where found? Asia, particularly India. Origin. Where did they originate from? Himalayas. Time. Long before Indo-Gangetic plain settlements. Which group of birds? ये कौन से group of birds होते हैं? Order, Galliforms or game birds. Family, Phasanidae. How many species? 51. What is the source of information? ESI chart, क्योंकि ESI chart से पता चला था that there are 51 species. What is the purpose of ESI chart? To create awareness among school eco clubs under NGC. Which is the best known member? Peacock, India's national bird. So here just ask questions in short and answer those questions in short phrases. Okay, they should not be long sentences but short phrases. Short में question answers लिखने हैं इसमें. With the help of the answers, note down the main points. Write the points without full forms of the verbs. So with the help of answers, note down the main points. जो main points है, जो main important points है, उनको note down करना है without using the full forms of verbs. पूरा verb के form नहीं use करने. You can omit the helping verbs also. Pheasants कौन होते हैं? क्या होते हैं pheasants? Shy birds with bright plumage found largely in Asia, especially India. Origin in the Himalayas and spread in China, Myanmar, South and Southeast Asia. Order Galliforms, game birds. And what is the family? Phasanidae. Number of species 51 according to ESI chart. Purpose of ESI chart: creating awareness among school eco clubs under NGC. Peacock, India's national bird. Member of this family represented in Indian art, culture and folklore. So basically we have jotted down the main points. Now notice these things. 2 or 3 related ideas can be combined into one point. Use of colons, use of long dash. Now here, if we see here in the first point, pheasants क्या होते हैं? Shy birds with bright plumage. और हमने यहाँ एक और point add कर दिया है, found largely in Asia, especially India. So we have added one more point. So we have collaborated 2 points here. यहाँ पे 2 points को mix करके लिख दिया गया है. Okay, similarly we can mix 2-3 points and write a combination of them. Okay, second thing, observe the use of long dash. This is long dash. So observe the use of long dash and colon. Colon क्या होते हैं? ऊपर नीचे जो 2 dots होते हैं, these are colon, and ऊपर dot and नीचे comma is a semicolon. Now where do we use a semicolon and where do we use a colon? For example here, यहाँ हम जैसे 2 points की बात कर रहे हैं, एक तो order की बात कर रहे हैं, एक family की बात कर रहे हैं, right? So order. Now अब हमें जब सब पॉइंट लिखना है उसका कि order क्या है, so colon लगाते हैं. family क्या है, कोलन Phasanidae. So family क्या है? Phasanidae. So we are just naming the family here. तो हमने क्या लगाया? कोलन. और ये जो दो आइडियाज हैं फैमिली और ऑर्डर, ये दो अलग अलग आइडियाज को सेपरेट करने के लिए हम लगाते हैं सेमी कोलन. ओके. स्टेप 4. नाउ गो ओवर द फैक्ट्स एंड नंबर देम. अब फैक्ट्स पे जाओ और उनको नंबर कर दो. This is only to analyze the process of note making. With practice, you will be able to reach step 4 immediately, going through step 2 and 3 mentally. So, with practice, क्या होगा? आप step 2 और 3 अपने mind में ही frame कर पाएंगे और step 4 directly you can do. Finally, we go over the facts and number them again. Read carefully the characteristics of good notes which are given below. ठीक है. सो फाइनली हम क्या करते हैं? उनको नंबर कर देते हैं. हाउ डू वी नंबर देम? वी विल लर्न दैट ऑल्सो. हम वो भी देखेंगे अभी. रीड केयरफुली द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ गुड नोट्स विच आर गिवन बिलो. गुड नोट्स के क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं? नोट्स शुड बी शॉर्ट. नोट्स शॉर्ट होने चाहिए. दे शुड आइडेंटिफाई द मेन पॉइंट. और उसमें जो मेन आइडियाज होते हैं वो आइडेंटिफाई होने चाहिए. ओके. सो द मेन पॉइंट्स should be identified and the notes should be very short. They list information in what is called note form. So information किस form में होती है? Note form में होती है and they are written only in phrases, not sentences. हम complete sentences, long sentences नहीं लिखते हैं. We write phrases. Information is logically divided and subdivided by the use of figures or letters. अब डिवीजन हम कैसे करते हैं? जो मेन सेक्शन है, जो मेन पॉइंट्स है, उसको लिखते हैं हम 1.2, 0.3. ओके. सब सेक्शंस में क्या करते हैं? जैसे पॉइंट 1 है, फॉर एग्जांपल पॉइंट 1 इज द ओरिजिन ऑफ फिजिक्स. ओके. उसमें आपको पॉइंट 1 में कुछ लिखना है, पॉइंट 2 कुछ लिखना है, पॉइंट 3 कुछ लिखना है. सो दीज आर सब सेक्शंस. पॉइंट 1 के अंडर ही 1, 2 सब सेक्शंस होंगे, तो उसको हम लिखेंगे like this in Romans 1, 2, 3 etc. अब अगर इसके भी पार्ट्स होंगे 1, 2, 3, इनके भी पार्ट्स होंगे तो हम लिखेंगे उनको A, B, C and so on. ओके. सेकेंड वे क्या होता है? We can write in decimal system as well. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सबसे पहला जो मेन पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो होते हैं 1, 2, 3. अब अगर 1 के नीचे कोई पॉइंट्स आने चाहिए तो हम लिखेंगे 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. अब सपोज 1.1 में हमें और पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. इफ वी हैव टू राइट मोर पॉइंट्स अंडर 1.1, सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल राइट इट एज 1.1.1, 1.1.2, 1.1 remains the same, 0.3. ओके एंड सो ऑन. अब 1.2 का लिखना है तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 1.2 वो तो ऐसे कैसे रहेगा? 0.1 मतलब फर्स्ट पॉइंट, 1.2.2 मतलब सेकंड पॉइंट. ओके. 1.3 के पॉइंट्स कैसे लिखेंगे हम? हाउ विल वी राइट? 1.3 वो तो सेम रहेगा, 0.1 मतलब फर्स्ट पॉइंट है ये. 1.3.2 मतलब सेकंड पॉइंट एंड सो ऑन. Abbreviations and symbols are freely used. So abbreviations क्या होते हैं? Abbreviations are the short forms of the words. Okay. For example, अगर हम बोले FCI, Food Corporation of India, तो उसको मैं लिख दूंगी FCI. So it is abbreviated form. जो short form में हम लिखते हैं वो होता है abbreviation. So हम abbreviations और symbols use कर सकते हैं. Articles, preposition and conjunctions are omitted. Articles, prepositions, conjunctions इनको हम हटा सकते हैं सेंटेंस के बीच में से. Articles क्या होते हैं? A and the. Prepositions क्या होते हैं? For example, on, in, under, into, onto. Conjunctions जो दो phrases को या दो sentences को, 2 or more sentences को join करते हैं, those words are conjunctions like and, but, although, और etc. So हम ये चीजें हटा सकते हैं सेंटेंस के बीच में से and we can make a phrase. ओके तो phrases यूज होते हैं rather than sentences, and notes must make sense when they are read again, otherwise they will be of no use. So when you read the notes they should make sense, उसका meaning बनना चाहिए, otherwise उसका कोई फायदा ही नहीं होगा. So this is how we make notes. Important points को underline करते हैं, उनसे फिर question पूछते हैं कि वो कौन से question को आंसर कर रहे हैं, and then we write them separately in points. फिर उनको नंबर कर देते हैं, like number 1, और number 1 के सब पार्ट्स होंगे तो उसको रोमन में लिखेंगे 1 2 3. उनके भी सब पार्ट्स होंगे तो उनको A B C, okay, and so on. So this was all about note writing. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you so much, children.